So you have seen we have successfully completed the copyright school for this channel. And you can see we got 3 out of 4. So this is a complete guide on how to attend the copyright school. So you must make sure you understand the YouTube question. That's why the channel manager comes in that understand the platform, because you must be able to understand some detailed things for you to pass the copyright school. So in case you're having challenges on how to attend your copyright school, drop your comments in the comment section. I'm going to be attending to them one after the other. In case you don't know how to go about your copyright school, also drop your comment in the comment section. I'm going to be attending to them. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on important, insightful content on these tutorials. So if you check on the next video, I did a video on how to set up your YouTube channel from start to scratch and how to create your first content, so you can click on the video. So until next we meet on the next video, stay blessed and remain safe.